Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn if you are facing this type of error on your Android phone, starting optimization app error, as you can see guys in my screen. So how to fix this irritating error, in this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so when you are facing this type of problem, so first you need to remove your phone from the charger. If your phone is connected to a charger, just disconnect it. Okay, after disconnecting, now you need to reboot your device into save mode. So how to reboot your device into save mode? Just press and hold your power button on from your phone, and here you can get the option power off. Just tap and hold on the power button for few seconds like this. Now it will ask you to reboot your phone to save mode. Just tap on okay, it will reboot the phone into save mode. Okay, after doing this guys, now check your issue was solved or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to restart your phone one time, so it will open your phone in normal mode. Okay, and then you need to find out any app which you have recently installed on your phone. So just find that app and uninstall it from your phone. So this app will create issue sometime on your phone. Just you need to uninstall that all unused app which you have recently installed. Okay, hopefully this method will help you to fix your issue. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to remove your SD card from your phone. If you have using the SD card, okay, means memory card, if you are using, just remove it from your phone and check your issue was solved or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to reset your network setting. How to reset it? Open your phone settings, scroll down and find out system, go to advanced. Here you can get the option reset option, just tap on it, and here you can get the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Just you need to reset these settings, network settings. Okay, tap on reset setting, it will reset. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem. But still in case you are facing same type of problem, so the last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to completely reset your device. Okay, so this is the only solution to fix this problem. So this all method is not working with you. Last method, you need to reset your phone. Open your phone settings, go to system, go to advanced, go to reset option, and here you can get the option reset all data, factory reset. Just tap on it, it will reset your complete phone. Okay, so this is the last and final solution to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please comment down below which option, which method is worked with you. Thank you very much.